Hey day traders, in this video I'm going to go over ticker LODE and how you could have profited day trading this penny stock. I unfortunately didn't take any time to day trade this morning. However, it's still important that you learn the lesson and how you could potentially make day trades, shorting or going long, and come away with a profit when it comes to penny stocks. So let's look at the opportunity that was presented today. And as we can see, this stock shot up, pulled back a little bit, moved back up, and has continued to decline all day since market has opened. Now, we can look at the 1 year, 1 day history of this stock, and we could see that it hasn't had much to go up off of. Recently, it had one big day where it went up to almost 4, and then it pulled back a little bit. But today was by far the biggest move it has had in a long time. Now, when you look at today's gap up, we can identify that it was a pretty substantial move up from $3 a share all the way to 10 really early in the pre-market around 7 a.m. to 7:30. So that's about 3x for the stock in about 30 minutes. As a result, it pulled back hard to the support, which I'm making as a line right here at $8 a share. And the support, as I've referenced, is pretty much where the stock tends to bounce because it's the floor. And it'll go up to the resistance again, which was seen as $10 a share. Now, you might be looking at this stock ticker and being like, well, it broke $10, so shouldn't it keep going up? Well, the thing is, it was a failed breakout here in the pre-market, which made an ideal entry range, or wait till the confirmation that this stock was not going to continue to break out. As a result, it pulled back below 10, tested a little bit in this range, and has continued to fall. And one big area where it was now the new resistance was the old support at 8. Look right here. This continues to confirm that the stock is going downwards rather than coming back to the upwards. So how you can profit day trading with little risk but high reward is taking the emotions out of trading and just using the position size calculator in order to make sure you're on top of the position size and how much you can possibly make. So your ideal entry, this is actually left over from yesterday's, but 10.4, but instead of getting out 11.4, because the range was from 3 to 10 in the gap, making it a lot bigger downfall or upfall, you want to give yourself cushion to at least 12, which is $1.60 per share. If you're shorting the stock, which means you sell first and you're potentially trying to buy back at a lower price to make a profit, yet if it goes up, you'll have to buy back to take a loss. But let's say we're going for $1.60 a share. Let's try and make the ratio on this one around almost 2. So we're going for $3 a share down, and we're going for $1.60 a share up, and that gives us 125 position size that we should take on a $10,000 account in order to receive a potential profit of $375 while risking $200. So when again you try and get in at 10.4, although it's a risky entry point, at 10 is great, 9, 8 is great, but you're risking all the way to 12, as we can see has never been hit. So your $200 is good, and now it actually becomes a great way to get some money when it actually hits 7.4 literally in a couple minutes. Or you can continue to hold if you notice the bears are in control to 6.4, which would be an awesome trade. So that's how you could have made more money by holding and buying back at a lower price. However, I think just taking a big win right here would have been absolutely awesome for anyone that was day trading, because that is a move from 10.5 to 7, almost a 30% return in about 20 minutes. That's how you make a day trade shorting penny stocks.